Now one of your friends, a very good friend, leaves the school. What do? You find another friend. So similarly, the carbon compounds, what they can also do is that not only they can add, like I just showed you in addition reactions, but sometimes they substitute, like hydrogen is replaced by halogens. These reactions are called substitution reactions. For halogens, the requirement is sunlight. For example, when methane combines with chlorine in the presence of sunlight, what we get is chloromethane. And this can go on like this. Till all the 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 4 chlorine atoms, and then it is called carbon tetrachloride. Okay, now what about alcohols? Alcohol is a dreaded word. Alcoholic drinks cause lot of problems, social, physical as well as mental. But before going into that detail, first let us understand what is alcohol. Let us take case of ethyl alcohol, which is also called ethanol. The chemical formula for ethanol is CH3CH2OH. Now you have seen that it is in the liquid form. So one property is liquid at room temperature. Second, it is soluble in water. It is also combustible. Now this is a bane of our society, because this is becoming more and more prevalent that alcoholic drinks are served in parties and even individually people take it. Now when ethanol is taken in a diluted form, even in small quantity, it affects a person. What is the result? There is loss of time judgment, or in other words, we say that increase in reaction time. Because it reaches the central nervous system and makes it dull. As a result, the person will react alright, but it will take much longer. That is why drinking and driving should never be mixed, because for driving you need lot of precision. Similarly for flying